Alrighty, so I am back and with another video. So if y'all seen the previous video, you already know that this one is going to be for the eyelashes. Now I wanted to try these out. I've never seen these before. These are the 3D individuals. I always like ombre mines out. I don't never like them the same length, so I got like long, medium, and short, and these are supposed to basically, I don't know if you can see them, have, let me see, you can see them a little bit there, have like just the different curls and things like that on it to make it more realistic looking versus just having the individual, see, yeah, versus having that. So that is what we're going to be doing today. When I wear lashes, I normally do them myself, like if I am doing lashes, but like eyelash extensions, I don't know how to do those on myself. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Now, the type of tweezer that I use is this one. It's a real pointy one. I'm sorry, I got the window open too. It's been raining and I like just fresh air when it's raining. I like to open up like all the windows. And I know my lighting and everything is weird, but this is probably the best way that I'm gonna be able to show y'all this. I got my spoolie, my little spoolie here. I am going to need, so I am going to brush mine. And so me looking this way, I have a mirror over here. So I already have lashes. Like, my lashes aren't horrible and stuff. They're nice and curly. But, you know, us girls, we like to have more. This one got like a gap in between. You see that? It has a gap in between. And then these ones are pretty full for the most part. But this one is trying to figure out what I want to do. So let me get some of this glue out, and then I'm going to show you exactly how we apply these lashes. Okay, so I always start on my outside and then I work my way in, because like I said, I don't like everything. I like it to like kind of blend, like, you know, short to long. So I'm just going to look through and kind of see like some fluffy ones. I'm going to even show y'all from the side kind of what they look like. I always try to get the extra little piece. I don't know if y'all can see that. There you go. It's fluffy though, I will say that. It basically look like, you know how when you're trying to put a lash on and you mess up putting it on? That's what it looked like. There we go, I think I got it. And when I'm doing it, I like to push it upwards. Like, keep pushing it up. Another thing is, like, try to space them. I know a lot of people like them to look like thick, but try to give yourself a little space in between. In between your lashes, so that if you do, like, I don't know, for some reason, if you do accidentally snatch them off or something like that, at least you're not snatching a whole cluster, like you snatching one. These ones is kind of tricky because they are like hella gluey. This is the first time me ever using these. Usually I just get the normal ones. But I seen like 3D and I was like, okay, I like fluffy. Like with that one, I think I just, wow. Okay. You got to literally grab these at the end. I'm peeping that. You got to grab them at the ends. So if you get the 3D ones, just grab them at the ends. Like really, really close by where it is. This thing stop shaking. I am now done, and I want you guys to like really see like how natural they look. I try not to go overboard with mine, and so I like to I already took a shower earlier today and everything, so I don't have to worry about doing that again. But you can see under, that's where everything is, and I don't go all the way down. I always stop like right there, because sometimes when you go too far down in there, it will itch. And even if you go too far over here, this will itch. I think I put one extra right there because it does itch a little bit. But I just take my spoolie and I just kind of brush them up some more. And then that also gets whatever you got in. And I also I just kind of play with them, because remember, it's different like curls. So they almost look like volume type of lashes, for real. And yeah. And I'm going to show y'all, matter of fact, I want to show y'all how many lashes that I use. So These are the shorts. Like, I only use that many. Both eyes. These are the longs. I probably use the most longs. These are the longs. And then probably between mediums and longs. Mediums I probably use the most on mediums. But yeah, that's a quick little video on how to do it. If you don't have any, now you can probably go over top. But like I said, I have, y'all seen, I had lashes already, but I just like to accentuate them and just make them a little bit more, you know, outstanding. So I am going to see how long these last. Unfortunately, I do rub my eyes at night while I'm asleep. So even eyelash extensions or anything like that doesn't last too long on me. But hell, I like to be pretty sometimes, okay? So yeah, this one is probably one too many right here on the end. And I don't even know if I can pull it out because I don't know if it's connected to something else. But it might be too. It might be too late. So I'll just push it. Push it over to try to help it. But yeah, they feel good. Like, they feel good. What y'all think? Like, what do you think? They look good. Like, they look good. So I'm going to leave on that note. Peace, love, and happiness, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was quick. Another quick little video, but I said I was going to do this one. So I did it. So yeah, I'll see you guys later on the next one. So I done sat up here and did these lashes, and you about to just do on me? Gonna pick something. I'll wait. I know, I'll wait. For real, for real. You hear my ambiance in the background?